was like, this isn't right. But is it? Like, right. So I'm trying to collect all. My book collection is growing, y'all. Happy. We just got back. I'm joking. I got back hours ago. Haul. Okay na yun. Okay, hi guys. So we just got back home from a day of like going out, and I decided why not do a little haul of everything that I got like from a few days ago and then to now. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. A few days ago we went to BGC 2 days ago, and I did get a few stuff from Marks and Spencer's. I got Percy Pig. This is the best gummies ever, like sour gummies ever. They're actually sour, and the flavor is actually really good. I got 2. I already devoured the first one. Now I'm gonna open this because I'm craving it. Amazing. From the same day, we went to Muji. So first, I got a nail file, but I think I made a mistake of buying like the soft one. It's like dented because I was trying to shape my nails last night, and I just kept on creating dents, and my nail it doesn't do anything. I feel like it's the one that people use to like roughen up their nail beds. So I think I made a mistake, but I'm still gonna use it. I just feel like it'll like disintegrate fast. I got this Muji pencil case. I was looking for a pencil case because, as you guys know, I've been using my mom's sunglasses case as a pencil case. It's so nice. I saw this and it's so nice. There's like little compartments inside, so like you can put like your stapler if you carry one, like. And then lastly, I got this it's like a pocket, like you can attach it to your binder. I got this because we get like a bunch of reply slips for school, and I don't like miss submission of reply slips, but sometimes I just put them like anywhere I can put them in, and sometimes I do lose them temporarily. So I'm hoping that this can keep me organized with my reply slips. My dentist gave me a travel portable toothbrush, y'all. It's like so cute. We were already like paying, and then the receptionist was like, "Merry Christmas," and then like shocked because this is the first time they did this. And now from today, we went to Watson's, so I stocked up on the Lux Organics Miracle Solutions Acne Derm Serum. I am breaking out right now, as you guys can see. I used like a face mask and I don't think it was good for me because like even after just like 5 minutes of it on, my skin started burning, or like my face started burning, and it felt so itchy, and I was like, this is not right, because it was like for acne. So I was like, this isn't right. But is it? Like maybe this is how it's supposed to be, because it's like, I don't know, penetrating my skin. But I don't think that's how it was supposed to be, so I removed it. And then after I removed it, my face was so red. So I was like, oh, maybe it really was bad for me. And because my breakout was so bad, I also got the Oxycure Acne Clear Powder Mud. This one is also really good if you want to like dry up pimples and stuff. Lastly, I went to Fully Booked to get myself a Christmas present. I got myself a highlighter and a Sony Angel. I got another rabbit. I wanted everything but the rabbit. Today is because I want to get a book, and I've been seeing a lot of books on my For You page, and hopefully I see some of them there. If not, I'll just buy a book that piques my interest. Get this one, The Bluesisters, but I think it's sold out in store, but I'm not sure because online it's sold out, but I'm not sure in stores. Oh, the convenience store woman, I want that also. The Before the Coffee Gets Cold, because I went through like a phase of my life where I wanted like books that are just like pure sadness, but now I kind of want books that like you learn something from. Well, technically you still learn something from like sad books, but like sad books, I buy them to cry, not really to like learn a lesson. There's a plane taking off right now. Hi guys, so it's currently 10:28 p.m. We got home like a couple of hours ago, but I've just been chilling. But I decided, why not do a little haul of the things that I got. So first of all, I got this type of pencil, or like whatever this thing is, from National Bookstore. It's like the things that they use in Korea to like mark whether like something is correct or wrong, like to check things, to mark whether something is right or wrong. It's checking basically. Next, we went to Sunnies earlier, and I did not vlog a lot of things earlier because guys, the mall was filled and it was low-key overstimulating. I did not even want to take out like even my phone. Like I got some like snippets and stuff, but I didn't really vlog. But we went to Sunnies and I got the Life Brow Grooming Gel because this one, it's almost gone. So I got it in the same shade because this one's like almost out. I've had this for such a long time and it's like literally. And then for my biggest splurge of the day, I went to, so I got 2 books. I got Before the Coffee Gets Cold because I've been like seeing a lot of good stuff about it, and Blue Sisters because again I saw like a bunch of good stuff. It was the last book already, so it's like, okay, I'm gonna get it to sign. And I honestly fully didn't expect them to have this because I checked the Fully Book site and it was sold out. They only had like the hard cover. Before the Coffee Gets Cold. I know that this is like a really long, like there's a sequel and there's like a few more books, so hopefully I get through this one, and then if I like it then I'll get the others. Did I get the horse? Are you the anteater? I'm so excited. I'm so excited to read. Yay, my book collection is growing, y'all. I'm so happy. Oh. Nawanood. May coding dito eh. Ano bago mo? Mas pwede ka mag-withdraw sa mga ATM. Libre? We just got back. I'm joking. I got back hours ago. But I took a nap because I did not sleep last night. Not enough to sleep. So I took a nap and now I'm alert, alive, awake, enthusiastic. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But right now, one thing is for sure, and that is I need to do a research because, guys, I want to find like a good podcast to listen to, so I'm like, you know, locked and loaded. I don't know if I want like a podcast or like a YouTube video, maybe music, because none of my favorite podcast people posted anything, so what if let's just like, you know, go to sleep, not do this. I can't find anything. Hi guys, it's currently 5:47 p.m. on a Saturday, and we went out earlier as you guys saw, and my mom got me a Christmas gift. Well, technically belated Christmas gift. Here it is. Yeah, I've been wanting this for so long, and my mom got it for me as a Christmas gift. It is the Sony XM4s in silver, I believe. I've been eyeing this out for like so long. I feel like for almost 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. But I have like these headphones. Hold on. These ones from JBL, and they did me so well. My auntie actually owns these, but she gave it to me, and I've been using it for basically 2 years. It's kind of really dirty, and like it has these muffs on them because the inside is low-key messed up. So today we got an upgrade. Let's open them. I mean, I've seen them already, and I've actually like connected them to my phone already. We did that at the store, but ta-da! It's so nice, it's so pretty, and it's very lightweight. These are them on. Sony does have an app. I don't know how loud I'm talking right now. Sony does have an app, and I've yet to actually set the app up, so I'm gonna do that right now. I have to like create like a Sony account or something. Hold on. The app, and it says like how much battery I have left. Amazing. Oh, this makes me want to go on a walk. Hold on, let's listen to some tunes. I also went to Octagon earlier at town, and I got myself a new... I didn't get myself anything, my mom got me a new hard drive, because the hard drive we have now, it's full already. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You know what? I'll show you the inclusions. Okay, right, the case. It comes with a charger, cord, and something you can use for the plane. And it all comes in a case. And the case is very small. I feel like it'll fit in my bag. So, yeah, that's it. Bye.